Is this even an attorney? Okay, so it's distinguished attorney or distinguished attorney and CPA. Okay, yeah, so you let other people call you distinguished. And so this, a lot of times when you see stuff like this, is a sign that someone else has written the resume. And this person says they're senior counsel at Plunkett Cooney, which is a great law firm in Detroit. And then these great accounting firms. But I would take all this out. Anytime you say you're some sort of expert and stuff, it's just people like, well, you think you're an expert? Let me show you. And then it's just, you have to. And then there's a lot of things here that are necessarily they're just different practice areas. We've got real estate, then you've got risk mitigation, regulatory compliance, employment law, like it's just corporate law, litigation. So these are pretty much every practice area. And you can't be, with this many practice areas, it's very difficult to be. So this is something where it looks like an outside resume company might help with that to some extent. So this is great. I love that this firm, this person is doing a lot of stuff. They're a corporate attorney, which is awesome. And it looks like they were a corporate and real estate attorney here at Plunkett Cooney while they were at the same firm. Oh no, I see they were at Plunkett Cooney doing this stuff, and then so this is a great, and Sterling Bank, which is an awesome bank. Yeah, Price One. This is strong attorneys. I really don't have any problems with this resume. I think it's a very good resume. The thing that's nice about this is you can see here that the person was an associate or something at this firm, and then they came back and were made a partner after being at another firm, and then they were working at a big company where they had a lot of stability and were doing great things. So this person probably is not going to have much problem getting a job. The question is what kind of employer they want to work with. If they want to work in-house or in a law firm. This is a good resume. I don't know really what to say about it. Looks like they may have transferred from Michigan State to Madonna University, which is they should just put a date for that, and then take out this stuff about being on the dean's list and stuff. It's a great school. Detroit, I don't know if it exists anymore, merged or something. And a lot of this stuff too, there's just way too much information here. The trademark filings and this kind of stuff, no one needs to see all that. You just need to, and I don't know why this is so confidential, but that's fine. Put that on there unless there's some reason not to. And then all this stuff is good. So the only thing I would recommend is that this resume seems to be going in a bunch of different directions. It seems to be like a real estate resume. Then at one point, it also seems to be a corporate resume. And you want to make sure that whatever you do, you do your best to make it look like a very focused resume in one practice area. And that's how I would handle that. So some of the stuff, like you don't need to say you're admitted to the American Bar Association. You don't need to say you're a moot court judge or you're in law school. You don't need to say, yeah, LSAT, that's good. I mean, I don't know when robotics thing is good. I don't know, speaker. So some of the stuff is probably not that necessary, but everything here is very strong. So there's no reason to really push it up that much. You frankly also don't look, actually, no, I don't know how long you were at Sterling Trust, but try to be focused. If it was me, I would try to go more towards being, again, you talk about trademark registrations and stuff again. I would really try to be more focused in terms of your practice areas, like real estate or corporate or something, as opposed to doing all these different things with litigation. And maybe you do want to do all these things and just be like a very experienced all around in-house attorney, which looks like you are, or law firm attorney too. But I think you're going to be better off if it looks more focused. It's just my opinion. It's a nice resume.